po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Congratulations to the Man of the Philippines, Mr. Culture International 2024, Ryan Christopher Sacopon representing Philippines, and June Lloyd Villagracia representing South Philippines. They are top 4 in the swimwear preliminary competition of Mr. Culture International 2024 in Jakarta, Indonesia. Ryan Christopher Sacopon, national costume, and this costume is inspired from the most hidden haven of Taal volcano. Resides its king, who has the power to walk in the surface of the surrounding lake. Folktales reveal that he was tasked to govern the land of the Barako by killing the monster that would try to disturb the peace in Batangas. And also June Lloyd Villagracia national costume, and this costume is inspired by the Spaniards colonizing the Philippines in 1565. Santo Niño and the Sinulog Festival in the Philippines is a masterpiece of cultural and religious expressions designed to capture the essence of this vibrant celebration. Good luck sa inyong dalawa sa inyong kompetisyon sa Mr. Culture International sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!